Hey everyone, I am Neha and I am working at Viral, which is an AI social media app built in Web3 and based in San Francisco. I played a crucial role at Viral because I was a building bridge between the online and the offline marketing channels. I had taken complete control of the online marketing channels like organic growth campaign via all social media platforms and running performance marketing ad and creating it completely through the AI marketing tools versus the offline marketing channels where I was in charge of doing the college events, creator podcast, founder meetups, and the investor meetups in Web3 space in Dubai. So far, I have hosted 500 plus creators all across India and 100 plus founders and investors across Dubai. The key goal over here was to explain how Web3 works to a Web2 audience on how decentralization, tokens, and monetization in Bitcoin works to an audience who is not completely aware of these concepts. I'm particularly proud of the journey that I have had so far because when I asked the founders in 2024 what would my role be, they told me that we have around 1000 odd users and we don't want to restrict you to any particular domain like marketing, but we would want for you to take in charge of different aspects of building a social media app like building a creators feed, onboarding creators, onboarding users, solving for onboarding, and how we can make the whole experience of a user more valuable. They can start coming on our app. And so far, I would like to tell you that from 2024 till now, we have crossed over 1 million users globally. So I'm very proud of the journey that I've had so far by building a bridge between analytics and the offline user experience and sharing it with the engineering team so that they could improvise on the app. Talking about my career trajectory so far, so I started my career back in 2011 when I was a school going kid. I saw that people around my age were going to summer camps, so I thought, why not I host one summer camp myself? I had no idea, I had no funds, I did not know how I would do it, but I just knew that I will figure it out as I go ahead. So I made a list of all the activities that I knew, like painting, craft, pottery, meditation, singing, and I named it the Sunshine Academy. I made posters, I made big banners, and I stuck it across my area. And I went door to door to talk to parents on how I would teach their kids these skills and how valuable this whole experience is going to be for them. And when I saw actual money coming in, I thought that let's make this experience the most valuable for all the kids. Slowly, as years passed by, I started receiving a lot of positive feedback from the kids that they were enjoying it, as well as from their parents that their kids' behavior has started changing and improvising from the time they have joined the summer camp. So year on year went by and the summer camp kept going well. And in 2018, I completed my electronics engineering from Mumbai University. And I also built a glove for the deaf and dumb community, which is a disabled community, so that they could interact easily with the normal audience with who doesn't know about the sign language. So they would make an action through the sign language and people would see the sentence on the Bluetooth screens. So while I was doing this project, I felt that I wanted to do something more creative, I wanted to do something more big, and I wanted to build for the community. I wanted to build with the community. My first company that I joined was GSK, that was via Accenture. GlaxoSmithKline is one of the British biggest pharmaceutical company where I was a part of the marketing team deploying marketing content in 200 plus countries, and I saw how big a MNC works, how there is a protocol for everything, how the ideation is limited to a certain number of boxes. So I thought, why not go out of these boxes, think bigger, and execute different things. So I started working with multiple startups. The first startup that I joined was based in London, which was a global educational business which was working in providing educational advices to students and professionals who wanted to grow in their career. The second startup that I joined was a global lifestyle business based in Vancouver, which was helping busy professionals all across the globe in managing their fitness, lifestyle, and mindset. And the third business that I joined had a 20 lakh customer base, which was helping women in the tier 2 and 3 cities in building the independent source of income through 250 plus women's product. All the while, I had enjoyed this journey and I was able to bring all my output so far in Viral, where I was taking in charge of the company's growth. And now I feel I am ready to start the next chapter in my career. So, where do I see myself in the next 5 to 10 years? I would say the answer depends on three things. The first thing that I feel is that I wanted to contribute to someone's life. I want to build products and I want to build it with people who are smarter than me. I want to build something that something would change in people's life rather than something that they would just scroll past by. And the second thing is that I wanted to build it with people who are smarter than me so that I can stretch myself out and I can go beyond my comfort zone to learn things faster, to execute things faster, like I have been doing it so far. And the third thing that I wanted to do is I want to be someone that people can depend on. In my current organization, there is a running line that if a project is assigned to Neha, then you can consider it done. It has taken me 8 years to build this type of trust and accountability, and I would like to maintain it going forward as well. If I'm able to give my 100% to the organization, if people are able to find something valuable in the products that we are building together as a team, then I feel that I have achieved my purpose so far in my career, and this is something that I would like to continue doing. So, these are three things that I know I want to do in the next 5 to 10 years. If it is a co founder title, brilliant. If it is something else, then that is good too. But all I know is that I want to be the best that I do and I want to give my 100% to the next project that I take up on. Thank you so much.